Good morning, children. Sairam. Hope you all are doing well. As we have completed the chapter Fun with Magnets, so today, first of all, we will revise the chapter, and after that, we will discuss some question answers of this chapter and book exercise. So, let's begin. So, in this chapter, we studied about the magnetic and non-magnetic material, that is, material that are attracted by magnet like nickel, cobalt, iron. All these are called magnetic material, and the material that is not attracted towards a magnet are known as non-magnetic material like plastic, rubber, cloth, glass. All these things are known as non-magnetic material. So magnetic material and non-magnetic material, two types of material are there. Now after this is the discovery of magnet. So magnet was discovered first time in Greek. It was first discovered in Greek, and it was discovered by a shepherd, and his name was Magnes. So by his name the first artificial magnet was discovered, and its name was magnetite. So first this natural magnet that was discovered was magnetite. Next, uses of magnet we have studied, like that it is used in cars, it is used in doors, pencil boxes, toys, magnetic stickers, soap stands, pen stand, and ATM cards also. All these things, speakers, TVs, in these things magnet is used. Types of magnet: natural magnet and the artificial magnet. Natural magnet, examples of natural magnets are magnetite, and artificial magnet means that are made by human beings in different shapes, and these shapes are given to you: cylindrical magnet, horseshoe magnet, U shaped magnet, coin shaped magnet, double shaped magnet, bar magnets. These all are the types of artificial magnet. Poles of a magnet, as we have already studied, that in a magnet two poles are there: north pole and south pole. And what is the pole? Pole is the strongest attraction point in the magnet. So these two ends of the magnet are known as its poles. So where are poles present? On the end of the magnet, on the two ends of the magnet. And every magnet, irrespective of its shape, has two poles: north pole and the south pole. Means whatever the shape of the magnet, it will be having two poles: north pole and the south pole. Alignment of floating magnet means whenever a magnet is freely suspended in air, it will always align towards the north and south direction. Attraction and repulsion of magnet, this we have studied, that whenever two like poles come in contact with each other, they repel each other. Whenever two like poles, like north is there and north is there, so they will repel each other. Repel means go away from each other. And similarly south and south, they are same, so they will also repel each other. They will not come in contact of each other. And whenever two unlike poles come in contact with each other, like north and south, so they are unlike, so they will attract each other. They will attract each other, they will try to come closer to each other. So we can say that unlike poles or opposite poles attract each other, while like poles or similar poles repel each other, go away from each other. After this, it is properties of magnet. Properties of magnet, we can easily tell that a magnet attract magnetic substances. A freely suspended magnet always align towards the north south direction. Magnet has two poles, north pole and the south pole, and on the poles the magnetic strength is maximum. At the poles the magnetic strength is maximum. The two poles of a magnet cannot be separated, and unlike poles attract each other while like poles repel each other. This we have done. Now this is what two poles of a magnet cannot be separated means, if you will break the magnet again, they will form north and south in the magnet. Making a magnet, how you can make a magnet? You can make a magnet, you can magnetize other things or a iron strip. As you can see, our iron strip is here, and what you have to do, you have to take a magnet. In this case they have taken a bar magnet, and you have to rub it continuously like this in a circular form, at least 30 to 32 times. And when you will this remove the magnet, then you will observe that this iron rod, this iron plate now start behaving like a magnet few for few time. So this is how you can magnetize some elements. After this, magnetic compass, as we have studied, magnetic compass is an instrument to find direction, and inside this a needle is there, a magnetic needle is there, that stands on a pivot in the center, and this needle always aligned towards the north direction. And in the compass directions are also written north, east, west and south, as you can see in the diagram. And the red that needle towards the north is marked with the different color. In this case it is marked with the red color, so we can easily find out that this side is the north direction. Earth has a giant magnet, this we have studied in the previous lecture. And the magnetic properties of a magnet, this we have done that how a magnet lose its magnetic properties, and correct way of storing the magnet, this also we have done. So this is the book exercise, fill in the blanks. You can open your book exercise, fill in the blanks first of all. So first fill in the blanks is, artificial magnets are made in different shapes such as bar magnet, such as, so dash is there, you have to fill bar magnet, horseshoe magnet, cylindrical magnet. I have written three, you can write any other also. Three you have to write, means types of artificial magnet you have to write here. Now the second one is, the material which are attracted towards a magnet are called dash. What they are called? They are called magnetic material. Paper is not a dash material. Paper is not a magnetic material. In olden days, the sailors used to find direction by suspending the piece of, what they suspend in the air to find the direction? They used to suspend a wire, a magnetic wire, magnetic material. A magnet can always has dash poles, so a magnet is also always have two poles, that is north pole and the south pole. So this is the true false. Now second question is the true false one. A cylindrical magnet has only one pole. It is written that a cylindrical magnet means a magnet that is in the shape of cylinder like this. It is having only one pole. Is it having only one pole? No, it is not having only one pole. So this statement is false. Second, artificial magnets were discovered in Greece. Artificial magnets were discovered in Greece? No, natural magnets were discovered in Greece. Similar poles of a magnet repel each other. Similar poles repel each other. True or false? True. And maximum iron filling sticks here. Maximum iron fillings stick in the middle of a bar magnet when it is brought near them. Is it correct or false? It is said that whenever, if a bar magnet is there and iron filling is put here, and we are spreading iron filling here, then maximum of the iron filling will stick in the center, means this iron filling will stick in the center. So it is true or false? It is false. This statement is false because maximum of the iron filling will stick on the poles. Poles are this side and this side, so it will stick on the poles because the maximum strength of a magnet is on the poles. So this statement is false. Fifth one, bar magnet always point towards the north south direction. It is said that the bar magnet always point towards the north south direction. True, all the magnets always point towards the north and south direction. A compass can be used to find east and west direction at any place. Can we find, can we use compass to find east and west direction? Yes, we can find, because by getting the north direction we can easily find east and west direction also. Next, rubber is a magnetic material. True or false? It is false. Rubber is not a magnetic material. It is a non-magnetic material. Third one is, it was observed that a pencil sharpener gets attracted by both the poles of a magnet, although its body is made up of plastic. Name a material that might have been used to make some parts of it. So, if you are placing a sharpener near to a magnet, so you will see that it will attract towards the magnet. So as we know that sharpener is made up of plastic, so how it is getting attracted towards the magnet, can you tell? Yes, because the blade of the sharpener is made up of iron, so it will attract towards the magnet. Question number 4, in this one you have to do it yourself. You have to tell that whether the magnet field will show repulsion or attraction. North and north, they will repel. Similarly, north and dash will attract. So what will come? North and south will be there. Then south and north, what will be there? Attraction. Dash and dash, dash and south, repulsion. So south and south will show repulsion. Fifth question, write any two properties of a magnet. You have to write any two properties of a magnet. We have discussed so many properties of a magnet. You can write any two of them. Means, like, you can write a magnet has two poles, north pole and south pole. Second point, a freely suspended magnet always aligned towards the north south direction. Or you can write others thing also, that it attract objects made up of nickel, cobalt and iron. You can also write that maximum strength of a magnet is on its poles. Many are there, you can write any two of your choice. Sixth question, where are the poles of a bar magnet located? So it is, they are located on the ends of the bar magnet. Question number 7, a bar magnet has no marking to indicate its poles. How would you find out whether near which end is the north pole and south pole? A bar magnet is hanged in the air, so it is said that in a bar magnet it is not marked that which one is north and which one is south. So how will you get to know that which one is north and which one is south? So this can be found easily. What we will do, we will suspend the bar magnet in air using a wire. Okay, so what will happen, this this magnet will always align toward the north and south direction. So we know the north direction, so whichever side will be towards the north, that will be north direction, and whichever side will be towards the south, that will be the south direction. So this way we can easily find the north and south direction of the magnet. Now question number 8, you are given an iron strip and you have to make it a magnet. This we can do. I have told you this in this process many times, so you can do this question yourself. The question number 9, how is a compass used to find direction? So we all know that a compass always show north and south direction. By keeping this as a reference, we can always find the east and west direction, because in a compass north direction is shown, and through that we can easily find out which one is north and which one is south. So this is all about the chapter question answers. I'll provide you a PDF of these question answers, and you have to do that in your notebook. Go through all the question answers and go through the chapter once again. Sairam, take care.